As an American living in Spain, I mentioned in my last video that I'll be giving you guys another grand tour of the amenities on site. So here we go. If you want to see where I'm living now, be sure to head to my last video. All right, so that door that you just saw is actually the side entrance to my new place here in Spain. And I feel like it already sets the tone. It's super quiet here, really clean, and just wait till you see the amenities. Okay, so this is probably my favorite part, which is the pool area. It's super clean, really peaceful, and honestly, just a nice spot to relax. I haven't actually gone in the water yet, but I already know I'm going to be here all the time once it gets even hotter. It's already been pretty warm lately, which is awesome. Today's around 78 degrees, which is about 26 Celsius. So yeah, it's definitely pool weather that is coming. And sometimes there's even a lifeguard on site, which is pretty nice because it makes it feel a bit more official and safe. Here's another view of the pool. So something to note about the lifeguards on site is they do have a schedule. So if they are not there, you're pretty much swimming at your own risk. Then right next to the pool is this little house with dining tables and chairs. I'll give you a better view in just a bit. But on another note, something else I really love about this community I'm living in is that it's very well maintained. There are landscapers that come a few times a week to take care of everything. So everything always looks super duper fresh and super green, as you can see. But the amenities don't stop there because this place is low-key stacked with amenities. So over here, you've got tennis courts and right next to them, paddle courts, which by the way, is super huge here in Spain. And if you've got kids, or honestly, even if you just want a place to chill with your kids, there's a whole playground area. And right next to it is this open field where kids usually play soccer. And here is the paddle court I was just talking about. These amenities are constantly busy too. There's always people playing in the courts. One thing I've noticed about this part of Spain specifically is that people are very, very, very active here. All right, and here is another tennis court. This is a different one than what I just showed you. And this is a pretty big community here, so it makes sense. And then here is this court field thing where kids are always playing soccer. There's also a basketball hoop at the end of this court. Another thing that I really love about this community is you can tell that this place was designed for people to actually live in it, not just pass through. This is basically a walk throughout the community, and all throughout the community, there are these little bench areas where you can sit, relax, or just hang out. And you bet that there's a lot of people always there. They're enjoying the sun and all that good stuff, which is really nice. This place has that calm neighborhood vibe, but it's not too busy and it's not too empty either. Here is another view of the front of the community, and now I'm going to show you the little pool house with dining tables. That's super cute and also very convenient. All right, so here you've got the walk over to the pool house. As you can see, the landscaping here is really nice. Everything's super green and really well maintained. You can tell they stay on top of it, which honestly makes a big difference. And then in here, you've got a nice little setup with vending machines, which is actually super convenient, especially if you're spending a few hours by the pool. And then outside of the vending machines, you've got dining tables and chairs so you can just sit down, eat, or hang out without having to go back home. It's a nice little chill spot to take a break from the sun. One thing that I think is so cute is there's always people having lunch here together. It's super cute in my opinion. Lunch in Spain is super special. In case you don't know, it's the most important meal of the day. And people here always try to eat together with their family. And it's also something that you don't rush. En España, la comida es muy importante. And now this is another walkway to another exit of the building. And then here are the showers of the pool. It's super nice that you have an option to be able to rinse off the chlorine in case you are sunbathing or whatever. So those are the showers in the pool. And then here is the front view of the pool area. You also have those little wood umbrellas to help you get some shade in case you don't want to be in the sun or in case you don't want to have some fun in the sun. You know what I mean? And then this is the other view of the walkway area and benches I was showing you before. It's a cute little place to sit and hang out, and there's really a good amount of benches here in this community. And there you have it. Those are all the amenities in this gated community. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you get amenities like this where you live, or would this be super expensive? In the US, this would be super duper expensive. So yeah, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.